Cox Businesses provides you with many different ways to get in touch with sales, customer service, and support to get assistance fast. On this video, we'll go over the different ways you can get in contact Cox Business. Before you make the commitment to talk with a support agent, the first place to start is with the Account Services support page. You can spend a lot of time on the phone only to realize that the problem you're having is a common issue that can be resolved fairly quickly. The Account Services support page brings together many commonly asked questions to create a searchable database that can help you get your issue resolved as quickly as possible. This self-guided support resource lets you search your question to see if it's something that comes up frequently. Our resource then gives you the steps you need to take to get back up and operating normally as quickly as possible. The Account Services support page covers everything from dealing with billing issues to why you should use paraphrase instead of passwords for better account security. If you're looking for a place to start, the Account Services support page is a good first step before deciding whether your issue is something you can fix yourself or if you need more help. The next step to take if you still need help is the Cox Business Live chat feature. It's easily accessible from the Cox Business support page. While it's not quite 24/7, you can get in touch with a representative to ask just about anything between 7 a.m. and 11 p.m. on weekdays and 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Saturdays, giving you support when you need it most. There are a number of reasons why customers might prefer live chat when it comes to support. For one thing, the customer experience of waiting for someone to respond to you, your chat feels a lot different than waiting on hold, and for another, it enables you to get things done while waiting for assistance. We know it's often inconvenient to pick up the phone and talk to someone, so we provide live chat to make getting help with your issue quick and painless. If you're experiencing a relatively routine issue like paying a bill, the quickest way to get it resolved is to use our automated support. We're available anytime at 1623 322 3000.